Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card, fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So that may answer some questions you have in your mind or some clear some doubts you have in your situation, guys. Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards for your general energy first. So it is 10 of Suns, Burning Tower in reverse, and 2 of Suns. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Scorpios, you are facing some kind of obstacles in the path to your dreams or goals, whatever you have. So something has come up and you need to put in lot of efforts and you need to work really hard today because of these uh, obstacles, or something is holding you back today, guys, from growth. And maybe for some of you, you are not ready to see the truth, maybe the truth behind this obstacle. So what is uh, causing that block, or some kind of you feel really stuck to a particular situation and you are not ready to see the truth, guys, and you are denying the truth. Maybe it is right there on your face, but you are denying that truth, whatever is there in your situation. And maybe you have lots of burdens that you are holding, maybe because of your position. Maybe you are an important person in your life. Maybe you are a manager or a team leader, or in your family the person who makes all decisions. So you have lots of responsibilities, burdens, and maybe someone is accusing you falsely of some things. They are blaming you for some things. That again is causing lot of stress for you. So maybe this person you are in connection with, they are blaming you for certain things happening, but the reasons for that situation may be different, but they don't have that understanding, guys. That is what I see, guys. And maybe you feel really stressed, and you have a lot of pain, sadness in your heart, negative thoughts or negative emotions, guys, maybe. And someone is also what to say, arguing with you, maybe, guys. So that again may be the reason for some stress in your situation. So something unexpected is happening in your life, Scorpios, and you are simply tossed like a twig in the wild wind. So some kind of stress or worries because of that, because of sudden changes happening in your situation. But you need to understand that these changes are necessary to make us more positive and make us more talented and more skilled in life, guys. So that is the general energy, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have the moon in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your relationship, this may be what your person feels or what you feel. Maybe this person is not telling you the truth, guys. They are lying to you, maybe. they are not speaking the truth. They are, what to say, hiding something. Maybe they have some bad things to hide, and they are simply blaming you and turning that attention on you, speaking lies, maybe, guys. So you may not share a great understanding with this person, or this may be your energy or their energy, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Apprentice of Spheres in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your career, maybe you are someone who is what to say, who is really talented and who has that capacity and knowledge, and maybe you are spending too much on some expensive things. So that may be the reason for worry. Maybe it may cause some financial strain for you. And I also see that there is someone trying to pull you down, cause troubles in your situation, and they are what to say, trying to create a bad circumstance for you guys in your career. So if you have someone like that, you need to be really careful, guys. Stay away from that person, Scorpios. So that is the reading, guys, Scorpios. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any what to say, without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, in the plain truth. And you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter. And maybe this person is honest, they have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of what to say, anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished. But in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy, or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us, and they have truthful intentions towards us, and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears, or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance, and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear, or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate, and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears, or whatever maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.